हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे फिर से एक बार। मेरा नाम है क्षितिज शर्मा, मैं एक टीचर हूँ और मेरा एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसका नाम है लक्ष्य एजुकेशन। कंस्ट्रक्शन में आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं नए कंस्ट्रक्शन जो है सर्कल के बेसिस पे। अ सर्कल इज गिवन, अ पॉइंट आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्कल इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू ड्रॉ टेंजेंट्स फ्रॉम द पॉइंट आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्कल टू द सर्कल। दिस इज अ सर्कल विद सेंटर O, दिस इज अ पॉइंट A which is in the exterior of the circle, and from this point we have to draw tangents to the circle. Now first of all, what is a tangent? Tangent means a line which touches the circle at a point. It intersects the circle at one and only one point. यहाँ से अगर मैं एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ जो सर्कल को टच कर रहा है, like this. Now this line touches the circle at only one point, so it is called a tangent. I can have one more line from the same point from the exterior of the circle which touches the circle at a point on the other side. So this way we can have two tangents from a point which is outside of the circle. Let us do this construction. So first of all, this is the circle which is given to us having center O and radius 4 centimeter. This is point O. This distance is 10 centimeter. This is point A in the exterior of the circle. Now what we have to do? We have to draw tangents from point A to circle O4. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment OA and to get the midpoint of line segment OA. The radius more than half of OA. Now from point O, I'll make two arcs in both the semi-planes, upper semi-plane and lower semi-plane from point O. With the same radius, keeping the same radius from point A, taking the point A as center, I'll make two arcs in the upper and lower half. See here, the arcs are not intersecting, not to worry. Come back to point O, again extend the arcs. You will get the arcs are intersecting at a point. Now these 2 points of intersection will lead us to a line segment or a line. इसमें से हम पास करेंगे एक लाइन। मैं एक डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, और ये लाइन जहां से हमको पास होती हुई मिलेगी, that is going to be the midpoint of line segment OA. Let me call it M. So M is the midpoint of line segment OA. Now after getting the midpoint, what you have to do? Taking M as center and either AM or OM as radius, draw a circle. I've drawn the circle over here. Right. You can also write draw circle MOM. M center, OM radius. Now this circle intersects circle OR at two different points. Let us call these points as P and Q. Now what we have to do? From point A we will draw ray or line segment or line connecting A to P. Similarly, from point A we can draw another ray or line segment connecting A to Q. So here ray AP and ray AQ are the tangents from a point A to circle O4. One more thing students, यहाँ पे ये perpendicular bisector से जो midpoint मिल रहा है, as this distance from OA is more than double of the radius, or we can say more than the diameter of the radius, sorry diameter of the circle. यहाँ पे radius 4 centimeter है, उसका डबल होता है 8 centimeter और उससे भी ज्यादा distance है. That's why this midpoint will be outside of this circle. If in the question the distance would be 8 centimeter, OA distance would be 8 centimeter, तो क्या होता? तो ये midpoint आपको मिलता है यहाँ पे सर्कल पे मिलता, and if the distance OA would be less than 8 centimeter, अगर वो 8 centimeter से less होता तो इसका midpoint जाता सर्कल के अंदर. So it depends on this distance. So this way we can get tangents from an exterior point to the given circle. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको इस वीडियो में मैंने जो समझाया, मैंने जो एक्सप्लेन किया वो समझ में आया होगा। फिर से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए इसकी, एक बार, दो बार, बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। आई एम श्योर आपकी समझ में आएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।